Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your assistant teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknath Khadse English Medium School, Muktanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss the map pointing. So, today we are going to discuss about India map. Okay. So, one by one, states and capital we are going to just discuss. Then after physical map, right? So, first things, this is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir capital is Srinagar. Then after Himachal Pradesh, this is called Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital Shimla. Then after Uttarakhand, this is known as Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. Then after this is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Then after here came, this is Bihar. What do you say? Bihar. Bihar capital Patna. Then after this is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. Middle part is Assam. Middle part is Assam. Then after here Nagaland. Next Manipur. Next this is below side will come Mizoram. This is Tripura. This is Meghalaya. Okay, so this place is known as Seven Sisters. We say Seven Sisters state. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur, Imphal, Mizoram, Aizawl, Tripura, Agartala, Meghalaya, Shillong. Then after this is West Bengal. West Bengal capital Kolkata. West Bengal capital Kolkata. Then after here we say Odisha. Odisha capital Bhubaneswar. Then after this is called Andhra Pradesh, and this is called Telangana. Okay, AP capital is Amaravati. Telangana capital is Hyderabad. Then after just below when we come here, this is called Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Here is known as Chennai. Then after this is here Kanyakumari. What do you say? Kanyakumari. Here in this place we can write Kerala. Kerala capital Thiruvananthapuram. Then after just to go here, a small place is there. This is known as Goa. This place is known as Karnataka. Karnataka, its capital here, that is called Bangalore. Then after just to go here, so this is called Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is here. This is called Mumbai. Maharashtra capital here, this is called Mumbai. Then after just to go here, this is Gujarat. What do you say? Gujarat. Gujarat capital the same. This is only Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Just to go top side, here the all part are coming under the Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Then after, here one place and here one place is there, and here one place is there. This is Delhi, Punjab, Haryana. Okay, Haryana near Delhi is there. Okay, understand? Middle, this is the middle part. This is middle part is MP. MP below side is MP capital Bhopal. This is the same below side is, this is Chhattisgarh, and this is Jharkhand. Jharkhand capital Raipur. Chhattisgarh capital Ranchi. Is it correct? No. Jharkhand capital Ranchi, Chhattisgarh capital Raipur. Okay. So total India, this is the place. So you can make it photos. Understand? Now you just to see. Just take the screenshot and you can understand betterly. Now some landform, we will discuss about the landforms. Okay. This is Arabian Sea, below side Indian Ocean, below side, total below side is Indian Ocean. This side is Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal, here Andaman and Nicobar, here Minicoy Island, here Andaman Nicobar, here Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island. So in this way, total India present. So total this all part is coming under Deccan Plateau. These all are what you say? Deccan Plateau. What do you say? Deccan Plateau. Here, this is known as the Intumar Sea. This Intumar is called Western Ghat. Intus are known as west side Western Ghat and east side Eastern Ghat. Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat. Okay. So this is the India map. I hope you understand better. And one more thing, one by one repeatedly you can see and it can visible for you which place where it is present, and one by one you try to understand those things. Okay. So in that case, if you have any doubt, definitely you can open the map book or you can open internet, that you can understand better. Till if you have any doubt, definitely you can consult to me or you can ask to me that which place where it is situated. I will definitely assist you or help to you. Okay. So the students, my pointing is completed. So till then keep watching for my next video, and these are very essentials. Actually I am telling these maps, it is not only for the examination but also it will help you in your future, in your life. आप कहाँ पे जाने का, किधर जाने का, तो each and every place name you have to know that. That's why I have drawn the map and I have elaborated one by one places name with its capital in this manner. And one more thing, एग्जाम टाइम पे आप एक एक मैप खरीद लेना पड़ता. वो मैप में अब जो जो पॉइंट पूछा जाएगा आप ऐसा पॉइंट, जस्ट पॉइंट डाल के वहाँ पे नाम लिखना पड़ेगा. इसी तरह मैंने देखो पहले पॉइंट ऐसा डॉट दिया, जस्ट ऐसा वही जगह पे डॉट दिया, फिर ऐसा क्या, फिर उसका नाम लिखा. ऐसा मैंने नाम लिखा। सो इसी तरह आप भी नाम लिखना पड़ेगा, ऐसा थोड़ा अच्छा सुंदर दिखेगा। ओके, सो जनरली पॉइंटिंग मतलब पॉइंट डॉट दे के इसको सर्किल बना के वहाँ पे नाम लिखना कि वो कौन सा प्लेस है। ओके, सो आई होप यू बेट अंडरस्टैंड। ओके डी स्टूडेंट्स, सो टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग, बाय बाय। और दूसरी बात, मैप सब लोग खरीद लेना, घर में रखना, अब से बाद में नहीं मिलेगा। सारे मैप बुक्स मैप्स आपको बुक स्टोर में मिल सकता, बुक स्टोर में ही मिलेगा, आप जाइए बुक स्टोर और खरीद लीजिए। ओके, बाय बाय।